One, two, three.
Okay, now let's start the video. The intro will be very powerful. So 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Sorry. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start. So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be a very special, important, interesting and also very helpful video, because guys, today I am gonna give you a very powerful practice. Okay, and guys, I am sure if you watch this video till the end without skipping any moment, by understanding all of the matters, then guys, I am sure nobody can stop you to make 100,000 and also uncountable sentences by only one sentence. If you also have some sentences, and if you also just using the same words, same sentences in your all of the speech, in your speaking again and again, then guys, stop the speaking, stop the practices and just watch this video. I think everyone understood that in this video I will just give you one advice, and if you follow my advice and you practice it daily, then you can make instant sentences. Like the topic will be same, but the words, the type to express it will be different. And also there is a very important thing for English, that you can't just use the same sentence, the same word again and again. Okay, if you also read a story, then you can understand the writer of the story, they also don't use the same word again and again. The meaning of the word will be same, but it will be another similar meaning word. Okay, so I just want to explain you that you also can't use a same word, a same sentence more than 2 or 3 times. That's why guys, this is very important. And also if you want to develop your speaking skills, then this video is very important for you. A number of people, they can speak something, but for the simple mistake that repeating a word more than 2, 3, 4 times, repeating a sentence many times, it can be very and also a very big mistake for you. So guys, watch this video and I am sure after watching you also can make new sentences. Okay, by only one sentence. Why we are waiting for? Let's start the video. Like this video, and also if you are new in our channel, then guys, please subscribe. We will just post this type of speaking developments videos every day. So guys, if you don't subscribe our channel, then please subscribe, and if you already have subscribed, then thank you very much. Let's start the video. Let me tell you a thing, and this thing is very important. Just try to understand it very properly. Open your ears fully and listen the important matter. And this matter is, if you are thinking that I will give you some ideas, and with the help of the ideas you can stop your studying, you can stop your practicing, and you can generate sentences every moment, every time you are doing a conversation with anyone, and then you also can make quick words, quick sentences, own sentences you can create there. Then guys, I want to tell you, sorry, in this video I will not stop your practicing, your studying, but I am sure I am gonna reduce your practices. Okay, there is also a very important thing that I will tell you, that try to use your smartness with your hard work. Smart work and hard work, they are brother and sister. If you are just using your hard work in everything, then also it will be, but after a long time. But if you just use your smartness also, your hard work also, patient practices, then it will be more and more easy for you. Just remember this quote, that everything is easy when you will be crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it. So now I think you understand it very clearly. So let's start my talk. So if you want to make many and also new sentences by only one sentence, then you need a particular sentence, a particular topic, and with the help of the single one sentence you are gonna make more sentence. So for this practice you need a copy and a pen, like any type of paper, also A4 size paper. You can take simple pen, I don't have to advise you. So now take the paper and take the pen and then write your topic. Okay, just write down what's the topic that you are gonna make sentences. Like my topic is, so today I have come in this place, or you also can take it like today I came here. So this thing is very important. First you need a particular topic to speak, and then just write your topic and then give some numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, some numbers, and then start to read and also start to write the similar sentences. Okay, like I will show you, like here is a sheet, and in this paper I also wrote down many sentences, and there will be like the example sentences. I also can make many sentences, but here I wrote down 15 sentences. Okay, for only better explanation that how you can practice this advice. So after writing the topic that I came to this place today, or I have come to this place today, after writing the topic, it can be anything, the sentence you use many times, some basic sentence that you are gonna write. Okay, just take a sentence, write down, and then just start to make more and also some similar sentences. There's a number of people that think that I have to explain and I have to speak the sentence in only one way. Okay, it can be in our childhood, it can be in our pastimes. We learn a sentence and then every time we use the same sentence again and again, over and over, again and again. But just stop it. Don't think that only one sentence you have to explain, you have to speak, you have to tell. There is also many similar words, and you can make some similar sentence by changing few words, by changing the way. But the sentence topic can be same, but some changes you have to do. First of all, you need a topic to make sentence and then start to make. Like my first sentence is I come to this place today. My next sentence is I am present in this place. Okay, I think everyone understand. I have come here, I am present here. The simple thing, it is very simple. If you also watch my previous video, then you can understand. Always make outdoor side video, and then I just try, and I love to make videos in new places, in new outdoor sites. That's why this sentence is also very important for me. Whenever I go somewhere, first of all, the first work in my video is I have to explain the place. That's why I am just doing this practice. I also wrote down many similar sentences like I am present in this place now, I am present in this place now, I am standing in this place now. I am present, I am standing. The present, the standing, the sentences are same, but the words are different. Okay, this thing I want to tell you, and you will use more and more, and when you will just do some changes in your sentences, in your speaking style, then it will be more and more interesting. And the person who was just doing conversation with you, they also will understand that yes, he knows many things. And now my next sentence is I am very happy to be here. Okay, I am very happy to be here. I also use that this place is very beautiful and I also like this place. That's why I will feel happy to make this video and make this video. But no, there is also a sentence that I wrote down. I am very happy to be here. I am very happy to be here. I am very happy to be here. The first one was I am present in this place. I am standing in this place. Like if you go in somewhere like it can be Nirmahal, it can be railway station, it can be tea garden, it can be any another festival. If you wanna say that I am present in this, I am present in the Nirmahal, I am standing at the railway station, I am standing in the festival, you just can use this type of sentences. Only you can change the place in any another outdoor site. So, and my next topic is I am very pleased to be here today. I am very pleased to be here today. Everything, all of the words are same, but only one word is different. The first one is I am very happy to be here today. I am very happy to be here today. I am very pleased to be here today. I am very pleased to be here today. Okay, did you understand? Then my next sentence is I have heard many things. I have heard many times before where I stand now. I have heard many times before. I have heard. I have heard. It is a sentence. I have heard. I have heard many times before. I have heard many times before. I have heard many things many times before where I stand now, where I stand now. This sentence is same. You also can first you can make the sentence and then you can also change. It means that now in this place I am standing, I also heard a number of things about this place. Or you can use here that I heard a lot about this place, so I come here. I heard a lot about this place, so I come here. Just try to make sentences, 2 or 3 sentences, and you will just talk many sentences. It can be only 2 sentences also, and you can stock the 2 sentences in your double side, in your 2 sides of your brain. Then you can use them. Okay, if you forget the first one, you can use the second one. Always remember the next one is I am very impressed by the beauty of this place. I am very impressed by the beauty of this place. When we go somewhere, then first of all, we also feel very happy after seeing the beauty. Means after seeing the trees, after seeing the environment. If you want to explain it, then you can explain it more beautifully. I am very impressed by the beauty of the place. Like I am very impressed by the beauty of the grasses. I am very impressed by the beauty of the clothes. I am very impressed by the beauty of the tea garden. I am very impressed by the beauty of the Durga Puja, all of the pandals. So it is very important. If you want to explain any place, then you can use them. And first of all, when we also go in another places, new outdoor sites, then we also first hear. Okay, after hearing, it may be from our friends, it may be from our parents, it could be from our relatives also. After hearing about the place, we take a step to go there. That's why you also need this sentence. I heard a lot about this place, so I come here. I heard about this place from my brother. Simple things. And now my next sentence is also very important. It is I have been thinking of coming to this place for a long time. I have been thinking of coming to this place for a long time. I have been thinking for coming to this place for a long time. Okay, do you understand? My next sentence is I wanted to come to this place for a long time. I wanted to come to this place for a long time. I wanted to come to this place for a long time. So just try to observe my every sentence. The first one was I have been thinking of coming to this place for a long time. I have been thinking. The second one is I wanted. Thinking and wanted. Just if you can capture the simple things, then you can generate the same sentences can be, but it will be in another type. So I have been thinking of coming to this place for a long time. I wanted to come in this place for a long time, so today I have come. Simple. The next one is this place is very calm and very beautiful. This place is very calm and very beautiful. The first one, in the first sentence, we use the beauty. Means this place is very beautiful. This place, environment is so cool. But you can use also their calm. Okay, calm. When you will just do this practice, you are gonna get more and more phrases. You will get more and more new sentences. Okay, this place is very calm and beautiful. I like nice and quiet environment. I like quiet and nice environment. Then the next one is, this place is not crowded. So I come here today to make videos. Okay, this place is not crowded. What is meaning of the crowded? A group of people. Where there is no any group of people, that's why I like this place and I am making video. This place is not crowded. Okay, crowded. Just take a step to practice this advice. I am sure you can get words, you can get sentences, you can stock more and more sentences. If you also do this practice with the help of 2 or 3 topics, then I am sure after a lot of practice you can generate sentences. Instant it can be, immediately it can be. So that's why. Now the second and the last one is, talking and making videos in a quiet environment is very convenient. Okay, well, the sentence, try to listen it carefully. Talking and making video in a quiet environment. Talking and making video in a quiet environment is very convenient. Okay, means it's very peaceful. I also love to make videos in a quiet, a silent, beautiful, a calm environment. Okay, because when you will speak in front of some people, it will be hard, but you also have to do it. But for practice, if you are a beginner, try to select some calm and like soft place where is not many people. If you can do that, then you also can make your sentence will become very beautifully. You can think, you can make videos, you can practice the English more and more softly. So just do that, you are gonna develop a lot, I am sure. Do this practice, then you are gonna see the benefits. That will be killer. Okay, that will be killer every time you can make sentences. So guys, bye bye, and I'm also feeling so great after making this video. And do you know why I take this topic? For my benefits also. Okay, so guys, if you are thinking I just give you advice, then also you are wrong, because I also practiced. Because just try to understand, whenever you will speak the English, then you are gonna develop. It can be a conversation also, it can be making videos also. My practicing source is making video. That's why I always make videos. Okay, what is meaning of that? It's meaning of that I am making my habit to practice the English daily. Remember, smartness and hard work, they are very important. Bye bye guys. I also will always tell you that subscribe my channel. Okay, I will not stop your practicing, your studying, but I will reduce your practicing. And I will give you very powerful ideas every day. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Just like this video, and also if you don't subscribe, if you are a new viewer on my channel, then guys, please subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, like this video. And also if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section, rate this practice out of 100. Okay, I wanna watch how people feel this practice. If you watch this video till the end, then guys, please rate this video, means rate this practice out of 100. It can be 80, it can be 10, it can be 30, it can be 5. Also just explain, and just also tell me and let me know in the comment section what you feel about this practice. Thank you guys, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Just remember, listen English, read English, write English, but speak English with Pradeep Burman. Yeah, bye.